Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Brita cup filtered water bottle on the market. The Brita hard-sided plastic premium filtering water bottle in the popular blush color, with a 26-ounce capacity. If you're someone who's serious about drinking cleaner, better tasting water on the go, this water bottle could be a game changer. This Brita bottle features a hard-sided plastic construction that is BPA-free, making it safe and durable for everyday use. One of its standout qualities is its built-in activated carbon block filter, which effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor while also cutting down on particulates in your tap water. This means you get fresher, cleaner water right from your bottle, without the need for bulky filtration systems. The filter itself lasts up to 2 months or filters about 40 gallons of water, which roughly replaces 300 standard 16.9-ounce single-use plastic water bottles. This not only makes it an eco-friendly option but also a money saver in the long run by reducing your dependence on bottled water. When it's time to replace the filter, it's easy to do, and replacement filters are readily available. Design-wise, the Brita water bottle is crafted for convenience and portability. It comes with an easy sip straw that allows you to drink directly without tipping the bottle, a feature that might take a little getting used to but adds to the leak-proof design. The lid has a one-handed push-button mechanism, which is perfect for quick sips during workouts, hikes, or while commuting. There's also a built-in carrying loop that makes it easy to grab and go or clip onto your bag. Cleaning is hassle-free since this bottle is top-rack dishwasher safe, allowing you to maintain hygiene without much effort. The bottle dimensions make it a great fit for most backpack water bottle pockets, so it's a practical choice for people on the move. In terms of size, the 26-ounce capacity hits a sweet spot. It's large enough to keep you hydrated for longer periods but still compact enough to carry comfortably. The blush color adds a stylish touch that sets it apart from standard water bottles. Overall, the Brita hard-sided plastic premium filtering water bottle combines functionality, convenience, and sustainability. It delivers filtered water anywhere you go while helping reduce plastic waste. If you're looking for a reusable water bottle that actually improves the taste and quality of your water without sacrificing portability or ease of use, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.